Hi everyone, and Happy New Year 2022. It's so nice to have you here today. I hope that you are all well and happy and that the new year is starting out fantastically for you. This is the second part of a two-part series of how to set real goals for your New Year's resolutions and how your closets can play a role in helping you to achieve those goals. Our closets and our style hold a secret key to help you succeed. I'm Lisa Marie Armstrong, sustainable stylist, mindset shifter, and founder of the Sustainable Style Academy, where I help overwhelmed closet owners transform into sustainable style champions. So if you're a lover of sustainable style or want to become one, make sure you click that subscribe button down there below so you get the notification every time I upload a new episode, which is every Sunday for your enjoyment. And if you haven't already, if you didn't know that, I am going live on January 16th, 2022 to demonstrate both parts 1 and 2 of this little mini series. So if you haven't signed up already, you'll want to do that. Make sure you watch to the end to find out how you can get there. So by now you've had a week. If you've already watched part 1, you've had a week to go through and figure out some of your own New Year's resolutions. If you're serious about them, you've hopefully written those down as well, because you'll need them for this section of the process. And if you were really on it, you also have appointments already in your calendar to begin taking the first steps to acting upon your goals. Now we're going to take it a step further and start working with our closets in order to help us achieve those goals. Yep, you heard me correctly. We are going to use our clothing to help us move along the achievement process. I mean, if you've ever wanted something, let's say you've wanted to get a date with someone, you wanted a VIP ticket to anything, or you wanted to feel good when you're attending an event that you normally might not attend. That happens every now and then. Have you ever felt out of place at an event? Like you were overdressed or underdressed, or just feel like you didn't fit in? That happens too. These are all simple examples of how clothing might be working for you or against you if you're not projecting the right type of vibe with your clothing. Have you ever tried intentionally dressing to get the thing that you want? Many people do this. We do this when we want to get a new job. We'll dress intentionally. But many people don't. You would be amazed how little people often think about their clothing. Ignoring what you're wearing when you're trying to achieve something is one of the biggest mistakes that people make. Not paying attention to it can severely bring down your confidence and the confidence of others in you. At the end of the last video, I mentioned something called enclothed cognition. Enclothed cognition is a term from psychology that refers to the way in which people perceive themselves and each other when wearing their clothing. Basically, research was done with 2 groups of people and a singular white coat that everybody got. For the one group, they were told the coat represented a doctor's coat. And for the others, it represented a painter's protective overcoat. The group with the doctor's coat actually felt more empowered by wearing it and received more respect, while the ones in the painter's coat felt indifferent towards themselves and even disadvantaged when they were wearing it while interacting with other people. And through this extensive research that was done, they were able to conclude that what we wear does make a difference in how we feel about ourselves and how others perceive us. And they termed this enclothed cognition. And the link to that study is in the show notes. It's down in the description box for you if that's of interest to you. And this is why when we are out to achieve our goals, that we wear clothing that makes us feel empowered and strong. And we're going to work on that today. Think of your clothing as a superhero suit that you can accomplish anything when you wear it. I love thinking of my clothes as a superhero suit. So how do we go about finding out which of our clothing would work best? Here are my steps toward planning your closet to reach your goals. Step 1, connect your goals to each part of your lifestyle. Your lifestyle is made up of many things. You may have a business life, a family, sports activities that you like taking part in. You might enjoy going out with friends in the city, or maybe you like to spend time in the countryside. All of these things require different aspects of your wardrobe. After all, you wouldn't go for a hike in the mountains in your business clothes, right? So in this step, you're going to organize your goals into categories. Is your goal a business goal, a family goal, or a goal to achieve at home? Is it a sports goal? Once you've done that, you move to step 2, review your closet. Here is where you're going to go through your closet and start trying things on. Go through each of your goals and the lifestyle it's connected to and start choosing your clothing accordingly. It should be clothing that you would actually wear doing the steps towards your goal. I've added some criteria to help make this process easier. Only things that fit, are a color that you love, are comfortable, and make you feel good and confident about yourself are allowed. And then begin with the end in mind. What would you look like? How would you feel if you'd achieved the goal already? Would there be a change in you? And what would you look like? This is the look that you are going for while you're looking through your closet. So envision how you would look and get as close to that look as you possibly can with the things that you already have in your closet. And if you find you're missing something, how about a little targeted search in a secondhand store? That would be acting sustainably for building the closet that you need. You create a separate look for each one of your goals. So if you have a business goal, put together a business look that you feel represents you and the goal that you want to achieve. If you have a family goal, what type of outfit would represent this goal? In part 1, I mentioned that I wanted to master the art of Japanese cooking, which I did. This I consider a personal goal. And when I would cook, I had a pair of black tie front trousers, a white t-shirt, a pair of black slides, and a specific apron that I would wear while I was cooking. And I polished that look off with a pair of diamond studs, some red lipstick, and a beautiful hair clip. And this made me feel empowered while I learned to cook this difficult cuisine. So don't forget how you would polish that look off. Is it any sort of jewelry? Is it the shoes? Anything else? Think about it. I take photos of every look that I create when I'm working with setting my goals, and then I keep those in a separate folder on my photo app And then I usually print them out and I put them in this journal that I have here. And I keep the pictures in my journal. Step 3, wear it. Haha, that's so simple. You just then wear it. It's wonderful. So very simple. Each time you're engaging and taking steps towards your goal, wear the favorite looks that you've created. And while you're doing that, how do you feel? And if what you're wearing doesn't make you feel fantastic and empowered, then work on the look and change it until it does and until it makes you feel fabulous. And that's it. That's it. That is how you do it. So if you would like to learn how to set your goals and create the powerful looks that will help you succeed in achieving them, make sure to sign up for my mini webinar that's going to be live on January 16th, 2022. The venue's still to be announced, but the sign up is in the description box below. And when you do so, it will also not only give you the reminder, you can receive that PDF that I have for you that will help guide you through this mini workshop that I am going to be doing on the 16th. So make sure that you sign up. Don't miss out. This is such a valuable course that you get for absolute free. It's my New Year's gift to you as a faithful viewer of my channel. So go ahead and grab yourself that. So please make sure to like this video and share the link if you found it to be helpful for you. Hit subscribe so that you get the information every time I post a new episode every Sunday. And thanks so much for being here today. I always look forward to welcoming you, and I look forward to next week as well. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.